Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Now that you have configured the categories with tasks, interventions, and measurements, it's time for you to understand how to set up your preventive maintenance through Infraspeak's planned jobs. Imagine you want to plan activities according to your company or client's needs. The workflow of any job starts with its creation. Then, the job order can be started using the mobile app, and it may also be paused and resumed. Once executed, it may be closed, followed by the last step, its validation or confirmation by the manager. So there are two types of planned jobs regarding preventive maintenance. You have cyclic jobs and planned jobs. The third one, as seen earlier, is related to the reactive maintenance rather than the preventive. The difference between a planned job and a cyclic job, besides the interface and the different options when creating each one, has to do with its intervals and frequency of servicing tasks. Moreover, cyclic jobs have constant intervention, whereas the planned jobs, the interventions may vary over time. On one hand, cyclic jobs are routine jobs performed on a daily, weekly, or even a monthly basis. On the other hand, planned jobs are scheduled on a monthly, quarterly, or a yearly basis. In Infraspeak, planned jobs have the option to have different periodicities in each intervention, meaning that one job may have 3 different interventions and each one of them can have 3 different frequencies. One is performed on a monthly basis, another done twice a year, and the third is done every 2 months, for example. Okay, now that you have understood the difference between the different planned jobs, let's go back to the workflow's first step, the job creation. Let's start with a planned job. The manager can create a job from the web platform, HVAC maintenance, for example. To create a planned job, the manager has to go to the planned jobs on the left-hand side of the menu, and once in the new screen, click on Create a Job. In this new window, the manager chooses which type of planned job will be created. There are 2 tabs to fill in, a General tab and an Interventions tab. On the first one, the manager will state the job's name, whose client is for, its location, and its type, such as an audit or preventive, its assigned users or contacts, and more. On the second tab, the manager will indicate which interventions are part of this job. Yes, one job can have multiple interventions. At the same time, the manager will define the intervention's frequency according to the maintenance plan. Once all is filled in, to save the planned job, the manager needs to click on Create Planned Job on the bottom right-hand corner. Once that's done, your planned job has now been created. But wait, does the manager have to create all of the jobs manually, one by one? No, not at all. Besides the customer success team, which is always happy and eager to help you import your data onto your platform, there's one important feature when it comes to facilitating job creation, the duplicate job option. If you want to know more about how to duplicate a job, check the description below. And that's it. You now know the different job options on Infraspeak and how to create them and hopefully how to duplicate them if you watch the pro tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!